Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Word makes it very easy to change the case of a word or sentence. This tutorial will show you how to change caps to lowercase in Word, as well as some other important capitalization features. Let's start by looking at changing a fully uppercase sentence into a lowercase. This is often useful if you have accidentally typed something out with the caps lock on. Highlight the whole sentence and then make sure you are in the Home tab and click the Change Case icon, which is located in the font area. In the menu that appears, choose Lowercase and the entire sentence will be changed. Word has rightly pointed out that the word at the start of this sentence should still have a capital letter. Using the Sentence Case feature can be useful here. Select the sentence and click the Change Case icon again. From the options, select Sentence Case. As you can see, it automatically capitalizes the first word of the sentence. There are several other options in the Change Case icon. Capitalize each word is useful for titles. Toggle case is ideal if you have left the caps lock on, and uppercase can be used if you need to emphasize a part of the document.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.